All right, guys, we have Green Speed Rimac Nevera. This is the sharp-looking car. Absolutely. Wow. Take a look at that and see what it looks like up close. Sharp. Love the graphics. The way it blends from plastic insert into the doors and another little insert. Nice wheels. Now see, that's tastefully done. That's all you need. You got the black insert over here with the exhaust tips. What makes it are these little brake light lines. That's all you need, and it just makes it pop to me. Very nice on the side. And taking a look at the front, beautiful lights done. You got the emblems, the grille. It's just really a sharp looking car. White on the bottom. I like it. Tastefully done. Absolutely. This is going in the collection. Absolutely. Very nice rear wing. Almost looks like it's going to be a going or a front open door. Very sharp, guys. Very sharp. Nice. I am loving it. What do you think of that? Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.